Oh, hi there, you friendly forest creature. I'm back again with another episode of me walking around in the woods. I like how these trees aren't safe. That's what's fun about the woods. You gotta be careful. Stay on your wits. This little goober is part of the species Tengenaria domestica, or the barn funnel weavers. Pretty cool spider if you ask me. Got a close-up here for you? Wow, look at that. Pretty cool. This tree was exuding Dawn dish soap after it rained. I wasn't sure what that was. This place brought back a lot of memories for me. Very, very beautiful place. Highest point in the park. These rocks. Wow, look at all those colors. Incredible. Yep, more rocks. Going to the rocks. Oh, look, it's like wow, it's a whole forest down there. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's so resilient. Here, got mushies on the bottom of a fallen tree. I don't know if it gets cooler than that. This little crawly boy is called the Strigamia bidens, or more simply, the soil centipede. And here we have an itsy bitsy spider. Pretty shy. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Doesn't really want to be on camera. I feel that, to be honest. Back to that centipede though. Look at him crawling on those mushies. I love cairns. I think it's impressive that people stack rocks that well. Good for them. Look at this king in the castle at the top of the cairn. That's a Floccus phalangioides, or the daddy longleggers. We can just call him that, right? This tree could fall on me. You never know. I take risk when I make these videos. Really, some serious risk going on. This tree decided to go 90 degrees when it figured out where the sun was at one point of its life. Beautiful canopy. Make sure to follow, like, and comment. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.